you gonna do? I don't know. Do you think it's alive? Hard to tell. Wait. Do dead things feel stuff? If they did, I think that would mean they're alive. What the feelings are. What the feelings really are. What the feelings are. What the feelings really are. Thoughts strapped to a body. Unexpression before expression. What the collective felt to and you named. Identification of time shifts. Identification of ego. Identification of ego's pull. I had a yellow bathing suit. We went together into the water. I think it's saying something. I had a yellow bathing suit. We went together into the water. I don't think so. I think it's really dead. What the feelings are. What the feelings really are. What the feelings are. What the feelings really are. I had a yellow bathing suit. We went together into the water. Insofar as the water, we preserved color, borders, formation, living. Regarding my rigidity, the water was compliant, satisfied to produce love spectacles all around us. I lent the water access to golden fields. I promise not to be disappointing. I promise not to be disappointing. The fall is beautiful. Say, street, 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 referring to your appendages. The city of giant cranes. By its rival, I know the sun. By its rival, I know the sun. All the erasing mountains and islands. All the erasing mountains and islands. Soil beds absorbed in a slippery, sleepy, exaggerated cloud of under-expression. I enforced convenient hardships, bypasses that were good for half of us, bad for the rest, allowing mosses to grow. Mommy, I need to ask you a question. Regarding your Western trip, was it accidental? I said to my swimsuit, every year you and I are fine. Every year you and I are fine. Dude, are you hearing this shit? Yeah, I'm hearing it. About Carl Jung. He resented gym class. He resented people telling him how to move his body. Mommy, I need to ask you a question. Am I an island? Do I have branches in the sky, or do they blend with the progress already made by the fog or the experience? I had a yellow bathing suit. Life, it was a series of getting the better of things. Arms like the sea. How to blend became hybrid. This part, that part. I had a yellow bathing suit. It went with me into the water like flesh itself. Parts convex, parts concave, where I'm concave. Rather than what will happen next, everything has always been happening. We are together, and you are the listener and the speaker. And I had a yellow bathing suit. It went with me into the water. This thing we are doing, this thing we are doing.